This message is strictly for chosen ones, not the less than smart ones, due to the simple fact that the less than smart ones will not understand what the hell I'm talking about. As soon as they hear what I'm talking about, they already swiped up, they already swiped left, they already clicked off, because they're not gonna get it. Chosen ones, you will understand 100% what I'm talking about though, but chosen ones that don't know this, oh, you're gonna know this because you're gonna recognize the signs and symptoms. But chosen ones, you are a walking storm. Oh, chosen ones, you are a walking thunder and lightning storm full of light. Why you say I'm a storm, Sinashti? I'll tell you why I say that right now. Due to the simple fact of, chosen one, you have this supernova amount of light garnered inside of you. I know it's hard to believe it sometimes, and I know it's hard to see it because you look in the mirror, you know, you get up, you go brush your teeth, look in the mirror, wash your face, you feel like you're the same guy or gal from yesterday. But guess what? Let me tell you something, chosen ones. You are the son or the daughter of the Most High Creator, the one who created this whole existence that we are living in. You get what I'm saying? Like, basically, you were this little tiny little particle that God literally chose out of a bajillion and picked out, hand-picked out, crafted, molded. Yes, he had to mold you through the pain and fire and pressure, but guess what? That pressure birthed a diamond. Huh? Other people you're around might be dimes, but you're the diamond. Believe it. You are a walking thunderstorm. You switch up environments as soon as you walk through the door. Believe it. You know it. You see it too. When you walk through the door, people either staring or they just finished staring because you looked at them. They're like, oh, what time is it? So you look at them. You know it. Or the conversations, you see the conversations stop. It's like Michael Jackson walked in the Smooth Criminal video. You've seen the video when he walked in. It was just like, watch him. Oh, watch her. Because guess what? You are dangerous, huh? You are dangerous to all the manipulative entities that are out there trying to manipulate the masses. But guess what? You come and you burn up all those little demons, huh? With your light, just naturally. You are a natural born healer. Chosen ones, feel me? Chosen ones, if you know what a storm is, you seen on the Weather Channel where you see where they show the map, the little Doppler. You're that storm that's just hovering around some little city, feel me? Some state, feel me? That storm. You see that it's all clear all around, but where that storm is at, change is happening. Cleaning up is happening. You get what I'm saying? And that's you. That's me too, feel me? It's us. But you're a storm that's gonna change. You're the storm that changes people's lives. You get what I'm saying? You're like a natural disaster. And not all natural disasters are bad. Feel me? Yes, bad things happen, but we live in a chaotic society where you need the chaos and the order for life to go on. That's why it's called natural. Nature's in the word. It's nature cleaning up itself. Nature cleaning up the environment so that nature could continue. Alright, well, that's my video. Listen, you're a storm. So go into the next place you walk into. Make sure you know that you're that supernova that's changing everything. You're changing up the whole atmosphere when you're walking in. Remember that, chosen ones. I love you. It's your boy. Hit me in the comments section. What's up, my boy? One love.